Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this quick tip episode I'm going to show you my experience with focus stacking using the Fuji X-T2 with the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 and the Fuji MCEX-16 macro extension. Before we start, here is what you need. A tripod and some good weather conditions without a crazy amount of wind blowing. The first thing is pretty easy to get, the second one not so much these days. And speaking of things to get, you can get this Viltrox 85mm 1.8 lens or any Viltrox gear now 10% cheaper using the link in the description of this video and the code DSPhotoblog. But wait, why should we even try focus stacking again? For example, if you are using a macro lens or a macro extension ring like the MCEX-16, the amount of what is in focus is really not much, and even if you use f8, like you can see here, it is not enough to get both flowers in focus, for example. But also landscape photographers are using focus stacking, for example, to get super detailed shots. Now here is how to do focus stacking on your Fuji camera like X-T2, X-T3, X-T4 and so on. In the menu go to Drive Settings, Bracketing Settings, and here is your focus bracketing. Choose that one and now choose how many images you want to stack. Usually most people recommend something like 80 shots, 6 steps and a 3-second interval to get a perfect result. But I will show you why this is only a good idea if you have a lot, and I mean a ton of time, or a crazy fast computer. Now just press the shutter and let the camera do its work. In Photoshop, go to File, Automation, Photo Merge and then select all of your 80 images and then wait and wait and wait. And what? It still hasn't finished? No, because the processing on 80 raw shots is extremely slow in Photoshop, and in fact it was so painfully slow that I thought I should rather watch my trees in the garden grow. So I stopped that and figured out a method that is light years faster. Go to Files, Scripts, Load Files into Stacks, and now only choose the first sharp image of the flower left and the second image of the flower right. Now go to Edit and Auto Crossfade Layers, and as you can see, that is a lot faster and in most use cases will be more than enough. I hope this video is useful for you. If so, don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.